Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to take a handwritten signature and turn it into a professional, transparent digital file using Adobe Photoshop. This is an essential skill for anyone needing to sign documents electronically while maintaining that personal, authentic touch. If this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. Let us dive in. The best way to get a clean result is to start with a physical copy. Grab a plain white piece of paper and a black pen, then sign your name clearly and boldly. Avoid using thin line pens, as a slightly thicker stroke makes the selection process much easier later on. Once you are happy with the signature, use your smartphone or a scanner to capture the image. Make sure the lighting is even to avoid harsh shadows, then transfer that file to your computer. Now open Adobe Photoshop. Head to File, click Open, and select your signature file. With the image opened, we need to isolate your signature from the white background. Navigate to the Select menu, choose Color Range, and use the eyedropper tool to click anywhere on the white paper. You'll see a preview window. Increase the fuzziness slider until the white background is completely selected while your ink remains dark. Once satisfied, hit OK, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. You'll see a checkerboard pattern appear, which signifies that the background is now transparent. Now that we have the transparency, we need to clean up any stray marks. Select your eraser tool from the sidebar and carefully remove any artifacts or scan noise around your signature. If the signature looks a bit faint, go to Image, then Adjustments, and click on Levels. Move the sliders toward the center until the black ink is deep and sharp. Finally, to export your clean signature, go to File, select Export, and click Export As. In the settings, ensure you select PNG format and confirm that the transparency checkbox is checked. This ensures your signature can be dropped onto any document without that unsightly white box around it. Save the file and you are all done. It really is that simple to digitize your handwriting for any digital contract or letter. If you found this guide helpful for your projects, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.